paper, I'm just dipping. We ain't even tripping. You could thank me later. Sauce and tripping, hoe, I'm finger licking, serving different flavors. See me flicking while I'm chasing chicken, flying on some bakers. Ain't old school me, city looking.
What up, guys? So I didn't think I was gonna do a vlog today. Like, really started that. I was like, I don't know if we're gonna vlog. We'll go out and do some like how-to videos or something. Because I had a pretty rough weekend, and it's hard to vlog when your attitude or your mindset's not like, oh, what's up? I'm Johnathan Buckhouse. Check this out. Like, you know what I'm saying? But you know, it just feels right to talk to you guys. And we're gonna be riding some park. Keystone kind of changed it up. I'm excited for that. And I don't know. We're gonna vlog this. We're also gonna film extra videos today. We'll see what happens. Oh, no speed for the down there. It is new rail. I've never seen this rail. A new rail. Woo! I got scared. It was too new. Let me turn this thing around. First run through the new park. I'll get better. They're doing a good job. I'm really enjoying it. Okay, we're gonna do back foot ruddering shots right now. Okay. So do them from the back, and then we'll do a frontwards one too. Okay, ready? It's hard when we're just going so slow. Woo! Are you okay?
Yeah.
So we're filming like bad carving techniques, and Cody just caught an edge. It's all good. You good?
Yeah.
Could have been way worse. There's a backside heel slide edge. And then we talk about the bent waist. Let's see how this thing is. So you gotta give your carving some attitude. Dude, I crushed Cody at the end right there. I was like, we're gonna give our carving some attitude, and just what it is though is when you are carving like I did, I carved in and I kind of like generated momentum.
Yeah.
Not a big deal. So yesterday we went to Eldora and went off. I think we did like easily 26 laps or something like that. Trying to get like dialed back in the park because they had like a lappable park lap. Here at Keystone it takes like 15 minutes to do a full lap. But there, it's like quick charging, you're in, you're out, which is super awesome. But my body's feeling it. I'm so stiff. And I also had physical therapy this morning. So that's kind of was like, man, maybe we just come out and film some how-to videos. Don't have to carry an insane energy. And there's also another thing that's just kind of bringing the energy down. Chris is almost gone.
Oh, why you gotta bring it up, man?
I'm so bummed. We literally only have a couple more days with the mustache.
Yeah, but
other trips this season, maybe.
Yeah, man. We're trying to meet up for New Mexico and a few other things.
Yeah, a bunch of things. So, we love you, Chris.
Thanks. Love you too, guys.
One more day. Chipmunk Day.
Let's do it.
But we're still here. We're ripping. And Cody's here, by the way.
I'm here. I'm struggling.
No mic for Cody today. Yeah, you had a big breakfast?
Big breakfast. Big day yesterday. And I'm just like, I'm here.
Cody's here. You know, sometimes when you ride every day, which Cody is riding every day, 50 days?
51 today.
51 days, crushing me. But I got a kid. All right, enough talking. Back to it. Much better, Cody. Redemption on the new rail. Oh, it's scary, man. I don't know why. It's scary. This thing is a down, too. Woo-hoo. Dude, Keystone has killed this park all season long. All right, stay up the hill for me. I'm going to stop. We'll do the talking. Should we stop and restart? We should be good. What's up, Team Buckhouse? Johnathan Buckhouse here. And in today's video, I'm going to give you 5 reasons why you're, is you have your shoulder wide open. You're literally riding down the mountain with your shoulder like this. You're bending at your waist. You're literally in this position right here. loving this. Oh, the pump, the turn. It feels so good. I'm gonna go to my switch now. I'm gonna come back. Just the attitude, the turns. Put my hand on, drag a little bit. Just like, son. Cause that's like, I don't think, I'm like the only person that talks about feeling.
Yeah.
When it comes to like.
I think it's huge.
Oh my goodness. That's like a hole. That's not even a jump. Cody almost killed that guy. But
Almost took him out.
yeah, I mean, he did a really crazy thing. All right, guys. We're covered in snow.
Uh-oh.
That's a compliment, man. Keep smiling. Dude, smiles are contagious. This goes without being said, but we need snow. There's no snow in Colorado right now.
It's coming though, this week.
5 inches this week. I'm calling 2. I'm going pessimistic on this.
Plenty of people have been sorry.
Family-friendly Cody. But no, I'm excited. We got that bonus video already done, which is good. When we can knock out a video that can help people get better at snowboarding. And it's not that hard to do it. How-to videos are definitely the easier form of content that can get posted on the internet for snowboarding, but we definitely enjoy the vlogs the most. And I think that's why I was like, also kind of like, woo, because I've edited like 5 vlogs in a row, and we put a lot of hours into those vlogs, and we still pump out daily, which is what, I mean, we're watching a vlog right now, like, it's crazy these come out every day. So if you're new to the channel, subscribe. You're gonna want to. Let's double check the battery life on the mics. What does it say right there? We good? Test, test, test.
Working.
We're working?
It looks low.
It's definitely low. I forgot to charge the batteries last night, guys. Cherry on top. 1 for the money? 2 for the show? Oh, man. Dude, you freaking cook off of this rail. I actually gotta hit this. Clear this rail. Oh man, come on! Oh, I had it. I just wish there was more side hits. That's a good side hit. Whoa! Oh my! That was huge! That like tweaked my knee and we went so big. You went massive on that, dude.
Go!
Let's go! My like energy went. They look like ski boots. I love it. We found Blaze, by the way. So this park is so sick. Like, I've never been a fan of the Spring Dipper early season park. This year, huge fan of it. Huge fan of that new rail, and I haven't even finished it yet. I don't know why I'm tripping myself out on it. It is sick. It's a sick rail. I think it's because I gave it power. I was like, it's so cool. And now I made it harder for me to hit. But even though the park is so cool, it is not as cool as today's windbreaker shout out. The first windbreaker shout out. We got Rob Rogers rocking the black windbreaker. Guys, if you don't know, we have the windbreakers now available. The blue with the collared and the gold lettering, and then the black with the hood and the white lettering. The windbreakers are so insane. But you know, we're still gonna do today's sticker shout out. We got Snowboard User with the orange sticker on the helmet, looking insane, man. As well as we got Brandon Higgins with the white Evolution sticker on the snowboard. Guys, thank you so much for snagging Evolution stickers. If you didn't know, if you're a skier, we have a ski version of the Evolution sticker as well. But guys, thank you so much for snagging Evolution merch. It's how I make this dream possible. It's how I do this for a living. So guys, thank you so much for snagging the merch. If you guys do snag the merch, tag me on my Instagram and I'll give you guys gear and sticker shout outs in the vlogs. But also just follow them for bonus extra content. We literally went viral again on TikTok, which is cool too. So check out the Instagram and the TikTok for bonus just other videos that you haven't seen yet. So do it. Check it out. All right, here we go. More snowboarding. What do we have for time? Oh my goodness.
What time is it?
I think this one's chipmunk, but Spring Dipper is open all the way to the bottoms. I think Spring Dipper to River Run is open all the way to. So let's do that. Which means we got one chance to hit that big, cool new rail. All right, last shot, here we go. I can do some snowboard tricks. This one is scary. I'm not mad with that chipmunk run through the park. That was pretty good. I catch my breath. It wasn't this one, but that other one was massive. It's just such a flat landing. I'm gonna do a crail grab. I really do love like carving that rope. It's so fun. You gotta water your trees, boys. Ah, come on. I always like look back to see how close I was to bonking it, but there's no way to really see. Are you okay?
Yeah.
Okay. That's just a really good sign of you're hurt. I thought Michael situation. Black diamond. The snow quality immediately changed. Alright, that was today. Mellow day on the mountain. If you want a like extreme snowboard day, check out yesterday's video. We went really hard at Eldora. Super fun. We call it a good day hangover on this channel. It's hard to go that hard and come back and like just but once again guys, hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for sharing with me today, and as always, thanks for watching. Keep evolving. We'll see you guys tomorrow with another one, because we post daily on this channel. I'm on top of the ocean, living like life ain't frozen, feeling my feet been chosen for something other than YouTube.